Since the inception of human civilization, civil engineering has played a crucial role in our development. The intricacy and greatness of civil engineering can be observed in numerous wonderful man-made creations. Civil engineers help improve the lives of millions of people every day. Let's know a bit more about the career and future in civil engineering, the challenges they face, and how they get going on making our lives easier, comfortable, affordable, and sustainable. Let's first discuss the top future construction technology trends. Construction has been accused of causing a variety of environmental problems ranging from excessive consumption of global resources both in terms of construction and building operation to the pollution of the surrounding environment. Therefore, the concept of eco-friendly construction is catching up fast globally and in India too. What is the green building concept? Let's know about it. This is Ms. Shriti Pandey. She is the founder of Structure Eco and a KIET alumni. Structure Eco is a company established with a vision to provide affordable and eco-friendly home solutions. But before that, let's try to understand the latest trends in construction technology from her.
In today's world, whether it's India or globally, the trends is changing very soon. So whether you're a civil engineer or a computer science student, what you have to realize in your third year or fourth year is what is going to be the trend for next 10 years. You don't have to understand what's going to be there for next 50 because everything would change in 50 years. In our construction field, the technology that we use few softwares that are actually not taught in any of the civil engineering schools. So if a student could train themselves in new 3D or designing softwares instead of just AutoCAD, there's huge potential to even get a nice paying job or to start your own consultancy and work with startups who need these new technologies.
So what are these trends? Number 1. Augmented reality. AR will surely open the doors to several new opportunities. According to an estimate, there will be approximately $90 billion increase in global AR market by 2020. There are already numerous such apps and softwares available in the market. Construction software and data ecosystem. Approximately 90% of data in construction is thrown away. Oops, that's huge. Therefore, real-time collaboration software is expected to work as a backbone for the construction process from beginning to the end. Building information modeling known as BIM. Majority of construction stakeholders believe that BIM can enable better design insights. Wow! Modular construction. It can help engineers to complete the project 65 times faster. I would suggest you to start learning more about this trend. Self-healing concrete. Yes, you heard right. Experts believe that we will start seeing self-healing concrete being used on the roads, buildings and homes very soon. Eco-friendly construction. So what is eco-friendly construction? An eco-friendly construction is one which in the process of constructing a building uses renewable and even natural materials, saves money on lights bills, gas bills and water bills. This method can include using all natural materials, but for the most part it pertains to saving environment and costs. Now we know all the latest trends and technologies. Let's discuss the opportunities. Building control surveyor, CAD technician, consulting civil engineer, contracting civil engineer, design engineer, fire risk assessor, nuclear engineer, site engineer, structural engineer, water engineer. Other opportunities: building services engineer, construction manager, engineering geologist, environmental consultant, geotechnical engineer, patent attorney, quantity surveyor, sustainability consultant, urban designer. But don't restrict your thinking to the jobs listed here. You can start your own business with any of the innovative ideas mentioned earlier in this video. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.